This is our third video of this series. In the first one, we installed Windows. In the second one, we uninstalled, debloated, and did a lot of the updates for Windows Update to get us up to version 20H2 of Windows 10. Be careful when you're installing software. The idea is they're going to try to sneak in some Trojans, some viruses, some backdoors, some spyware, some whatever. We're going to be trying to steer away from proprietary software, which may be recording everything that you're doing and sending it to Microsoft AI. So I'm going to include links to each of these websites below. So these are pretty much the softwares we've installed. I'm just going to yank them out here so we can see them. Web browser, 2 utilities, or actually I could say 3 utilities, because Notepad's kind of a utility, an email program, and a way of doing Office documents. It'll open, write, and save Microsoft formats. So there you go, 6 pieces of software. For most of you, that's all you're going to need to use your computer. If you have any other ideas or suggestions for softwares, put them in the comments below. If you have something that's better than these, please let me know. Especially email. If you know of free software, most people, when they buy their computer, they don't want to spend any more money. And so I'm trying to stay with open source stuff as I can. But if you know better software, different software, just put it in the comments below. Also, subscribe, like the video, visit our Patreon, support our channel, because without you, this is not possible. I thank each and every one of you for supporting us. We'll see you in the next video.